To see that my daughter is deciding not to wear any bee protection at all. She just felt like it would work for her.
I'm trying to do my best to film. I'm trying to get my best odds out there to be YouTube famous.
This is a lid that I made that is too small. And because of that, it kind of gets stuck. Do something about that. Let's see what we got here.
Oh.
Not many bees. No bees at all on that half of the hive. This half will have some.
Whoa.
Look for the queen on the lid here. Let's see her. We'll give these guys some smoke. They're very calm, but there's just not very many bees in here. I looked yesterday, and there was very little activity at the front of this hive too, so that wasn't a great sign, but still. Doesn't mean that there isn't a queen in here. Could be slower than the rest of the hives. Just never know. So go through the whole process. Yeah, these frames are completely untouched.
Yeah.
If we're going to see a queen here, she's going to be right here.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can just tell by the activity. They concentrate around the queen. It's not just around the queen, they concentrate around the eggs that she lays, right?
I noticed that.
So that's where the bulk of the action is.
Wow, they're so cute. I love them.
Okay, so this one is pretty ready for eggs, you know. I don't see any. Looking for what looks like a little piece of rice in there, or a little worm.
Wow, I can see all the honey glistening. That's crazy.
Look over here. See if you can see any dots of rice. Sort of on standby, but there's nothing in that one for sure. Okay, let's keep looking. I think she might be on this.
Is that her?
Oh, that is the queen. Goodness, Madeline, you're 2 for 2.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Queen.
Look, she's right there.
Virgin.
There she is. Hi, girl. Oh, you big, beautiful. She's so cute.
She's teeny. Awesome. Look, Madeline, that is the queen for sure.
Let's go.
She's just a little bigger than the others and just a little longer, but even, you see, there's no hair on her back.
I saw her dot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's just see what she's doing. Yeah, she's moving around like a queen. Okay, let's close this up. Let's leave her alone. She's pretty far behind, but that's okay. We might have found, I'm not going to look at it this time, but we might have found more evidence of her over here. Remember we said we thought she'd be over here?
Yeah.
There she is.
Do you want me to stop recording?
No, just keep recording.
Beautiful.
So there's another successful split here. Very young, look like virgin queen. And we're doing well so far on our splits, holy smokes. Not many bees in this hive, but that's okay. They'll change that because that queen needs to start laying eggs. And then they'll start increasing the population. Another thing that I have to do as a beekeeper now, soon, if not already, but it's kind of the next round, is I have to start equalizing hives, right? So I have to start taking from the rich to feed the poor, and that helps them all grow to very strong numbers for winter. So thanks for joining me. Hi, the splits are a success. I think I found 1, 2, 3 out of 4 queens. And so that's pretty amazing. It's working out all right. Thanks for joining me at 40 Honeybee. 40 Honeybee. Actually, let's do it again. This time I'm going to say thanks for joining me. You say at 40 Honeybee.
Ah, yeah.
So it's pretty good. I found 3 out of 4 queens out of those splits. And the other one I think has a queen, but I just couldn't find her. Maybe Madeline wasn't looking hard enough at that one. But so far so good. Now we're just going to take this other split, and box it up. And thanks for joining me.
At 40 Honeybee.
Nice.